This is my best sourdough recipe yet. I've tried many recipes over the years, but this is definitely the best. Now, day one, you're going to make sure you got your scale out and you're going to get your active sourdough starter. Measure it out. You can eyeball when you cook, but you can't eyeball when you bake. You're welcome. So we're going to go in and add our water. Make sure you measure. Mix it up till it's nice. Don't make a mess. Now, as for the flour, I like to use the King Arthur one. It's got a little higher protein. It makes it so much better. Incorporate all this together until you get a little sticky, shaggy dough. Wrap it up with something. I suggest some shower caps, and you're going to let it sit for about an hour to faux auto-lease. A little helpful tip, if you go ahead and have a small dish of water on the side, it's going to really help you out because you're going to want damp fingers for mixing this up so you don't get stuck to it. But at this stage is when we're going to go ahead and sprinkle in and dimple in the salt. It's all nice and incorporated, and then we're going to start a stretch and fold. Pretend it's like a box. You're going to go all four sides, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. You can also do some coil folds. I'll do a video on this separately another time. There's also the slap and folds if you feel like beating the life out of it. You do whatever works best for you. Once you're done, you're going to wrap it up with your shower cap. Let that sit for another hour. You're going to notice a pattern here, but you're going to go ahead and dampen your fingers again, and then we're going to do our stretch and folds. All four sides, just like last time. Once you finish with that, we're going to wrap it up again, and then let it sit for another hour. Then guess what? 4 more stretch and folds. Don't worry, we only do this 3 times and then you're all done. This time, instead of an hour, you're going to let it sit for probably about 4 to 6 hours. It's always different. Depends on your kitchen, your dough, you get it. But what you're looking for is some good bubbles on the bottom, and you want it to be kind of a puffy, jiggly dough, about double in size. Let the dough naturally fall out with the help of some gravity. Some floured hands, you're going to go ahead and start your first shaping. Stretch it out into a rectangle, then you're going to fold in one side, other side, roll it up like a burrito. Do a couple loose candy canes, and then you're going to go ahead and just let it sit on the bench. Now it's going to rest for 20 minutes. After your bench rest, you're going to do another final shaping. So you're going to stretch it out into your little rectangle, other side, roll it up. You get it. Now this time with your candy canes, you're going to try and build a little bit of tension, but make sure you do not rip that dough, okay? Be gentle but firm. Sprinkle your little proofing basket with some flour, and then you're going to rest it for the night. To build a little more tension too, you can kind of stitch it together, tighten it up. Wrap it up, pop it in the fridge for the rest of the night, and come back for part 2.